Oil Dispenser. The OXO Good Grips 12-aughts precision pour glass oil dispenser is a standout addition to any kitchen, blending functionality with an aesthetically pleasing design. Constructed from high-quality glass, this oil dispenser is not only sturdy, but also offers a clear view of the contents, allowing users to easily gauge how much oil remains. With a capacity of 355 milliliters, it strikes the perfect balance between size and usability, making it suitable for everyday cooking needs without taking up excess space. The dispenser features a stainless steel spout designed for precision pouring, ensuring that every drop is utilized without messy spills. This thoughtful design is particularly beneficial for those who prefer to control the amount of oil they use, whether they are sautéing vegetables or drizzling oil over a salad. The 8.7 AU into 2.76 H dimensions make it a compact option that fits comfortably on kitchen shelves or countertops. Furthermore, the bottle is dishwasher safe, simplifying the cleaning process and making it a practical choice for busy cooks.